The legal controversy overshadowing the 2024 presidential election in the United States took an exciting step, yesterday, on whether the behavior of former President Donald Trump will prevent him from running for it, and whether this will be enough to exclude him from holding any government post, including the post of President and Commander-in-Chief. The Colorado Supreme Court ruled that Trump was ineligible to run in the election because of his role in the events of January 6, 2021, and his support for a rebellion against the U.S. government. This is the first time that the Supreme Court of any U.S. state has concluded that the disqualification clause, adopted during the Civil War era in the 14th Constitutional Amendment, applies to both the office of the presidency and the actions of the former president. The Supreme Courts of Minnesota and Michigan have rejected similar complaints in recent weeks. It is noteworthy that all opinion polls currently indicate that Trump is the clear front-runner among the Republican Party candidates for the 2024 race, despite his legal problems, which have little effect on the support of Republican voters so far. Constitutional law professor Lawrence Tribe and former federal appeals judge and prominent conservative Michael Luttig describe Trump's eligibility dilemma as a huge issue, the most important constitutional issue of our time, and stay tuned, this will be an epic that will last from now until the election. Gregory Koger, director of the George Hanley Center for Democracy and a professor of political science at the University of Miami, Florida, told Al Jazeera Net that the decision of the Colorado Supreme Court is a significant development. He added that this court confirmed the finding of a lower court that Donald Trump participated in a rebellion, and that the clause of the 14th Amendment applies to all federal employees, including presidents. Trump will almost certainly appeal his case to the U.S. Supreme Court, and regardless of what this court says, the truth of this central issue is that Trump is guilty of betraying his country and its Constitution. And this should convince all Republican voters of the need to disqualify him from running for election, says Koger.